Munhu un'we cinisa ku vanhu, munhu un'we ntsena. Munhu un'we cinisa ku vanhu, munhu un'we ntsena. This video yi ta va yi ri short ngopfu. Just want to talk about comment ka leswi nga humelela Mr Tipo's album yi leaking. Swo nkhawurisa na. I swilo swa kahle na. Swa fita ku wena as an enemy u celebrate na. Those are the only things we're going to talk about. Ni xavisa the iPhone. Loko ni lava ni kumeka 0765661277. Yay!
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: Muganga Basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga Premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga Super Premium ya ku nyika 15,000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga Cash Only Benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina Muganga Unveiling Benefit vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Yeah, Jaimito, mfana wale Msambikani, my baba jaro kula imbacha, tanuna chete, yemaneme amugalaka, the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Ako hambo kwata. Yay! Walaba awlabi yawen. Itasuku ba yawen. Yimani amugalaka. The only channel that matters to watch. Thank you very much. Nilomla ku joina vakhandle sweswiya swa tolo. Lomla ku register company tirhisana nambara leya. Loko ri lembe ra ku hela hi nkarhi wo fana na lowu Dr Joyce rimambela ku risa album yi humini. Mr Tipo's was one of the most influential person wa a tlanga album liya online a tla tshembisa ku xerhela vanhu. And at some point Dr Joe va n'wi tshembisa the legal actions against him. Xandla famba xandla vuya. U nga hlekiwa n'wana wa rikwerhu. Whether we love him or not, we need to state the fact. If we ending social media post, atsaka album ya un'wana munhu. And swa twisiseka loko swi endla xiphukuphuku xo fana na manyanga tsa share the link like that. I don't share the links of the shared album. Yes, I will ask someone to share me the album because I also want to listen to. But because I know the influence that I have, I will never share a link of a linked song or a linked album. And I've heard that there's a song ya Dr Joe nga lika liya share clip ya kona ndika bamba. But I decided to stay cool and say I will listen when the album is out. Right? So, Mr Post, he was one of those few people. After he tlanga album, I share tlhaku loko yi lava ni WhatsApp ni ta mi nyika yona. That was a bad idea. That was wrong, especially coming from someone who knows how hard it is to make an album, how expensive it is, and how the bad impact ya look album yi leaking to the person who made the album. Anga kona munanga let's no endlela njenjani endlela. You can't spend money on other projects ngalo endla mali. We believe in the diversity of the projects that we make. We do a lot of things. Hinkwaswo leswi fanele swi nghenisela swimalambala swi hlanganisa mali ya ku yantswa. And it kills the vibe ya album afane yi huma rini. And sweswo a swi cinci ku vanhu lava nga lika album ya Mr Post vana timbilu ta vuloyi. I don't know what they hope to achieve with that. They want to decampaign him from getting the streams to compete with the GNU. That's what they're trying, I think. Because if the person who leaked the album, if any GNU, we can say this person is trying to decampaign Mr Posco and a community the streams online because already you saw an album. Lord album said drop we are going to start with the Dr. Joe because we haven't got anything. Let's say hit when you chinisa kuban munesha Mozambique ama post lesya. I don't want to comment on the contents of the album. Yes, I've listened to it, but I don't want to say anything. It's not worth celebrating at all, despite the fact that yena i endle swilo swa vuhlanga a celebrate album ya Dr. Joe loko yi leakini, a swi vuli ku na yena hi fanele hi celebrate his leaked project. You shouldn't celebrate such a thing. Number one, it kills the vibe that we had for tomorrow. Already the vibe is down. Like mundzuku so hi rindzela album ya kiti ya Hitekani Shirinda na ya Dr. Joe. Already ya Matimelo Kid were already enjoying it. We speak about content, contentious album with content. Blah blah blah. Matimelo Kid, not gang. But as there is no need for you to celebrate that. You should not celebrate it. It's not worth it. If it was coming from me, don't celebrate such a thing. Don't do it. Whether you are a fan or an enemy, don't do it. It kills the vibe for tomorrow. Already is dead. The competition that we're going to have tomorrow already is dead. Already Mr. Pose has a valid reason for an excuse. That's number one. Number two, but understanding when invest the resources and then when you go post these things on your links just to make from 5 to rand 30 rand with someone's thousands of money. And then you go leak their album. You know, like, and I'm telling you, especially to the influencers that Gaza for what I'm glad. You know what I glad. I say I mean, as fluffy, as bubbly, as hard I can be. I mean, no kuma album ya munhu I will never leak it. I makaya ku never fuma kumela I understand the cost associated with that. It doesn't mean kuwelo munhu uzonda na xikwembu xa ngizonda. That must sink. Asivulisa kuwe loko uzonda me leswi wo langutisa ku xiswona na xikwembu lexi wo xi khongela ku xi ni langutisa xiswona. Xikwembu a xa ka ndlopfu phela hayi gajeni xikwembu. Hambi hosariwa ka Yesu. Welcome. So for those reasons, I think it's not worth celebrating, despite the fact that last year I celebrated other people's wrong things. Two wrong things don't make right. And as she will correct Joe, but you will feel the pain that Dr. Joe felt when his album leaked. But album wrong. But it just teaches him he mustn't trust anyone around his cycle. Like he has a studio, studio ne. We don't anticipate ku album ya we yinga huma because he endleliwa ka studio xa wena. My baba I mean, jaru kula mbacha I mean. I don't have to love anyone. Swa ranzo I don't care. Vakhandlu group, we're a family.